Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we take you behind the scenes of a complete car restoration project. The skilled mechanics start by carefully removing each exterior part. This includes the doors, trunk lid, hood, bumpers, headlights, mirrors, and every removable body panel. Each part is precisely bolted down, not only for removal but also to preserve parts that can be restored later or used as a reference for replacement parts. This is the real start of the car's transformation. After the exterior is removed, the focus shifts to the interior. The team uses a crane to lift the engine and transmission out of the flying engine. Every part inside the car is removed. The front and rear seats, the dashboard, the center console, the floor mats, the door panels, and even the entire wiring harness. By the end of this phase, the car is a hollow shell, exposing the internal structure for a thorough inspection and refurbishment. The mechanical systems are addressed. They then proceed to systematically disassemble the entire chassis, including the suspension, exhaust system, fuel tank, drive shaft, and all cross members. Every bolt and bracket is removed to gain access to the entire chassis. This thorough disassembly allows technicians to assess the true condition of the frame and all major systems. Rust, hidden damage, worn bushings, and warped components are identified and addressed in subsequent phases. What we see here is more than just a teardown. It's a deep dive into every inch of the car, preparing it for a makeover that will return it to or even surpass its former glory. In this section, we focus on a critical stage, the complete restoration of the rear suspension and differential. We begin by disassembling the differential. All internal components, including gears and axles, are removed and thoroughly cleaned to remove oil, dirt, and metal deposits. This step is essential to ensure smooth operation in the future. Each component is thoroughly inspected. Worn bearings are replaced with new ones to restore function and reliability. The differential housing and axle shaft are sanded to remove rust before being coated with a protective coat of paint. The entire suspension system is treated. The control arms, springs, hubs, and subframes are cleaned, sanded, and repainted. The brake calipers are given a coat of paint that is both attractive and easy on the eyes. Once the parts are ready, reassembly begins. The differential and axles were installed first, followed by the entire rear suspension system, including bushings, knuckles, brake discs, and bright red calipers. Every component was precisely aligned and tightened to factory specifications. Shock absorbers and springs were installed to restore balance and ride comfort. Finally, both the front and rear suspension assemblies, now completely rebuilt, were installed to the chassis, completing a major structural milestone. This stage underscores the precision and dedication of the team in bringing this car back to life. Stay tuned for more works of art to come. During this phase of the project, we witness the meticulous process of restoring the heart of the car. The newly overhauled engine is ready for final assembly, and each step from here on out requires precision, patience, and experience. The mechanics begin by carefully installing the ancillary components. New spark plugs are threaded into place, followed by a new exhaust manifold. These steps ensure a clean ignition system and optimized exhaust flow for future performance. Next, the carburetor, often referred to as the lungs of the engine, is securely mounted to the intake manifold. This part will be responsible for delivering the perfect air-fuel mixture, so its placement is critical. Fresh engine oil is poured into the engine, and the team checks the dipstick several times to confirm the oil level is perfect. At this point, every detail is important. The goal is to ensure perfect lubrication of the moving parts inside on the first spark. Using a heavy-duty engine crane, the fully assembled engine is lowered into the cleaned engine bay. The team then reconnects the essential lines: electrical wires, coolant hoses, vacuum hoses, and overflow tanks. Each connection is inspected for leaks, faults, and maximum reliability. Then the focus shifts to the front exterior. The inner fenders are installed, followed by the front grille, horn, radiator fan, headlights, and iconic hood. Bolts are tightened to specification, alignments are checked, and everything is cleaned before assembly. This restoration reflects not only mechanical skill, but also the passion for giving an old car a whole new heart. From here, the car is one step closer to a powerful revival. The technician begins by thoroughly cleaning the rear differential components. Using a degreaser and a specialized brush, all traces of old oil, dirt, and rust are removed. This step is important, as even the smallest contamination can affect the performance and longevity of the differential. The rear suspension is reassembled piece by piece. The arms, springs, bushings, and shock absorbers are all carefully aligned and tightened. The technician makes sure everything fits perfectly and functions as expected. Finally, the air conditioning compressor, a vital part of the vehicle's comfort system, is installed. This is one of the last mechanical parts to be restored and signals that the car is nearly complete. The car, now painted in a new glossy pink, stands tall, a true testament to the dedication and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching, and see you again.